Hello everyone, it's Varkki here, and welcome to my channel ASV Excel, where I teach you how to get the most out of Microsoft Excel. In this video, I will share with you a quick and very useful tip on how to delete unneeded extra spacing between words, as well as after and before words. In our example, we have a list of employees, and for some reason, it has very chaotic spacing between the names, middle names, and surnames. This is not the way we want this list to be. What we would like to have is a very predictable and correct spacing between the words and before the words. What we will do is the following. We will use the trim function to correct the names. The trim function removes all extra spacing, leaving only single spaces between words. First, we select the cell where we want to apply the function. Enter the formula trim A2, where A2 is the cell with the incorrectly spaced text. Then press enter. Then double-click on the fill handle to apply the formula to the entire column. And that's it. We have fixed the spacing issue in our employee names list, and now it's perfect. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more useful Microsoft Excel lessons. I'll see you in the next video.